Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are here with the punk series. This is the last one, I promise. We're gonna use some color pop on our eyes. These are the metallic lip shades. We are using two colors, Queen and Three-Way. Start with a little bit on your eye and we will blend that out. We're using a flat brush and then also we'll blend with our finger. I had these lip colors for like ever and I never even used them. Yeah, it takes a lot to blend. I mean, just time in general. I mean, they're super easy to blend, but I was just, blending for days.
A few moments later.
Anyways, like I was saying, I've had them for a long time and I thought they will make a really cool wet eye look. If you have any metallic eyeshadow liquid lipstick, you can totally use them on your eye. I mean, be careful, obviously don't get it in your eye. If you're super sensitive, maybe not, but it worked just fine for me. So I used a shade a little darker, which is Queen, on top of the previous Three-Way color, and this intensified it a little bit more. But to be honest, they both look the same. I used this last time. I love this Sparkle Eye Dust by NYC. I don't even remember getting it or when I bought it, but it's like so iridescent and pearlescent and everything, unicorn. I had to include the palette. I've been using it for the past 3 punk looks that I've been doing. I dedicated this whole series to that palette. I mean, you guys know I just started, so it's not like it's sponsored or anything. Like, wow, I wish. No, that's not happening anytime soon. I got my Wet n Wild black eye pencil. It's really nice. It, has a lot of color payoff and it stays on a long time. I'm using my Better Than Sex mascara sample before putting on lashes. I gotta use my NYX liquid eyeliner. I'm not making a wing or anything, I just wanted something to hide the thick band of an eyelash.
One eternity later.
Finally got the other eye done. I'm just gonna clean up under my eyes a little bit. I mean, really there is no fallout. It's just like a lot of glitter when I started blending my under eye. So we're just gonna clean that up a little bit, make it sharper. I put too much on here. I was like, wow. Honestly, this is so crazy. This is the last look I'm doing in this series. I mean, I think 4 videos. I think it's 4 videos. I think that's enough. I want to move on and do some other looks. You know, more everyday, you know, neutrals. Just chill. I know it looks like I'm putting blush for days, but they were, I mean, it's buildable. These are the lashes. They're pretty thick. Yeah. I'm not gonna say they're my favorite because they're not. This is also, again, the YouTube series. I know I bought a lot when they first came out at Walgreens, and I think they were like $8 or maybe cheaper. But yeah, I love this ones. They were pretty thick. I wouldn't wear them every day. Like, this was like too much.
Day 2.
Literally day 2, you guys. You wouldn't believe what happened. I got eye glue all over my left eye that, you know, I had to take it all off, and this is literally the next day. I hope it looks the same. Guys, I got this e.l.f. highlighter for like a year ago or more. It didn't even have a name. I don't know, but it's like almost white, and it was pretty. Still looks pretty. Kind of chalky, but it, you know, you can still use it. I doubt it's on the shelves, honestly. I don't even know. I haven't looked at a e.l.f. retail, you know, setup in forever. I'm outlining my lips with my NYX truffle, I believe. Yeah, nude truffle. And then just blending it out with my finger before putting in this. Also, I had it forever. It's called Nearly Nude Matte Lipstick. It's like a retractable pencil from e.l.f. And honestly, this is it, you guys. Thank you so much. I hope to see you on my next video. Please subscribe if you want to see what the next look is. If you want to see my other videos from my punk series, check them out.